Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to realistic light effects in Photoshop. Let's get started. Go to the polygonal lasso tool. Then make the selection with the help of the polygonal lasso tool. Take a new layer. Then go to the gradient tool and make the gradient. Press Ctrl D to delete select. Go to the filter blur and shows the Gaussian blur. Make Gaussian blur radius 13 pixels, then press OK. Press Ctrl J to make a copy and adjust it. Select the layer and press Ctrl G to make a group. Let's check the before and after. Please like the video to support us and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.